back to Fix Everything Magic Cloth. Ordered a pack of 5, and I gotta tell you, this thing is magnificent. It really works. You wring it out with water, wash any window. So this is the second as seen on TV product that I've reviewed this week, which is unheard of because, again, I don't do unboxings mostly. But I got sucked into Facebook Reels in the last couple of weeks, and it's all I see is this Microfiber Magic streak-free cleaning cloth. And I'm thinking, yeah, okay, great. So it was like $18-20 for a 5-pack. I said, I got to try this. So I did. They came. It is nothing short of magic. And I know there's no such thing as magic, but whatever these are made of, it is very magical. It's very simple to use. Here, it just comes in like a plastic blister pack. And this is it. Microfiber Magic from the Air Group. Just use water, save on paper towel. I did all the windows on the bottom floor of my house today. There's not a streak in sight. If I took a regular clean washcloth and some Windex and I cleaned these windows, they would be a smeary mess. Trust me, because I've done it before. I've done everything short of buying a squeegee and the little wash scrubby end to clean my windows, and that's some cost involved in that, and it's a lot of work. So I thought I would try these. All you do is you take them out. They're a little stiff, but they are like a cloth fabric. It looks like a really fine dinner napkin. All you have to do is throw all 5 of these in the laundry, wash them. You can tumble dry, and then put them away. When you're ready to use them, put them under water and wring them really good. That's it. Just give it a good rinse. And then wipe any surface you want to wipe. Windows, cooktops, the front of anything stainless steel, side walls on your car, windows on your car, any surface that you know would be a smeary mess if you used Windex and a paper towel. So just wash these, do the job, and then all you have to do is rinse them when you're done and lay them out to dry. That's it. And next time you want to use it, soak it with water, wring it out really well, and just start wiping down windows. It is unbelievable. There is no streaking. Let's take a look at this window that I did earlier today. This is so cool. I've never been more excited about something. See that dirt right there? Just gonna let that dry, just that spot that was dirty. And it's dry already, no streaks. If this was just a regular washcloth and we just used water, it would have dirt all over the window in swirls and smudges. I don't know what this has in it. There's really nothing in it. It's the way the fabric works. I did the whole house on the bottom with this one rag. Look at the difference. Unbelievable. This was a short one, but I thought I was going to fall for a scam because I keep seeing these ads about this magic cloth cleaning your window over and over with just water. I can't wait to use this on my car. I've got that off-gassing that happens when the dash heats up in the summer and it gets that haze on it. I really want to see if that works. Now that window was filthy, absolutely filthy, because it's very difficult to get to. I had to get the extension ladder out on both sides because there is a fireplace shed in the way. So those hadn't been cleaned in 5-6 years, easy. So not only did the cloth clean the window, but it was streak-free when it was done. Usually you'd have to clean the window first and then go get another cloth or more paper towel and Windex or whatever window cleaner you want to use. And I'm not saying Windex doesn't have a place. It does. I love Windex. I use it on lots of stuff. But this cloth does both. You just wet it, wash the window, and watch it dry. It's unbelievable. It actually works. Absolutely try these. I recommend them 1,000%. I will put a link in the description below. If you click that link, I do get a small commission that helps my channel grow and it keeps things rolling, and I really appreciate the support. The price does not go up, but it will take you right to Amazon where you can try these out. Highly recommended. Thanks so much for tuning in. Summer 26 continues with clean.